Hello and welcome to the third chapter of the Elasticsearch in Python series. This chapter is most important among the rest of them as it illustrates the use of search queries. We will also see the subtle difference between the match phrase, and term query. So let's get started with this. Now I already have the data inserted into an index. If you want to understand how it's done, please look into the chapter 2 of this series. So most of the time we would like to query the data we have stored and get the matching documents. So to do this, we use the search method. The search method can be done easily by providing two parameters, index and body. The body key would take a JSON. Within that, we specify from, which represents the offset from the current result, size, which represents the total match documents that has to be fetched. Now, the most important part, in query, we specify what type of query has to be executed and what key it has to be executed on. Here, we would like to execute a match query on sentence key and match the word sent. Let's look at the result. So we get a JSON output for this query, and total here represents a total match document. So you see that the sunny word that we had was in uppercase. Hence we see that the matched query is case insensitive. Had it been case sensitive, it would have given a total of 0 document. So let's change the original query and get both of these two documents. Now we have the data fetched, so if we do a simple iteration, we would be able to get the sentences. Now we understand the match query. Let's see how it's different from match phrase. We change the current search method and replace the match with match phrase, and then have a look at the results. So here, this match would get changed to match phrase, and we change the value of size as well from 2 to 0. So again, we see that two documents are matched. So even match phrase is case insensitive. Then how is it different? Let's change the value of sentence to bright sunny and then see the difference. Now we see it fetched a total of 1 document. It means that the match phrase not only matches the individual token but also their relative ordering. Please see that the document we had used to insert into an index had hyphen between bright and sunny, but match phrase still matched the document. It did so because it looks at the order, excluding the spaces and punctuation. So now we understand the difference between match and match phrase. What is term query? Term query is used when we want to match the exact string, and it is case sensitive. Let's change the match phrase with term and leave everything exactly the same. So we see that 0 documents have been matched. It is important to note that this behavior is based on the analyzer, which we will cover later. If we change the analyzer, we can also change the way these queries behave. By default, we use standard analyzer. So that's it from this video. Now we understand the difference between all the queries, and in the next tutorial, we will see how we can combine the queries and sort the result from ES. Thanks for watching.